Hey everyone, it's Moonstone. Welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into a topic that's changing the world as we know it, blockchain. Now, I know what you're thinking. Blockchain? Isn't that just about Bitcoin? And yeah, it's true that Bitcoin was the first big application of blockchain technology, but it's so much bigger than that. Think of blockchain as this underlying technology, kind of like the internet itself. Just like the internet revolutionized how we communicate and share information, blockchain is poised to revolutionize how we do business, how we interact with governments, and even how we think about trust. We're talking about a fundamental shift here, people. From finance to healthcare, supply chains to voting, blockchain is making waves across every single industry. So, buckle up, because we're about to explore just how deep this rabbit hole goes. Let's get to it. Blockchain is revolutionizing finance. Traditional finance relies on trust. We trust banks and credit card companies. Blockchain removes the need for blind trust. It's a decentralized, distributed ledger. Smart contracts enforce themselves. Blockchain transforms cross-border payments. How can blockchain revolutionize supply chain management? It creates a tamper-proof record of every step. From raw materials to delivery, every transaction is tracked. This transparency combats counterfeiting and promotes ethical sourcing. Imagine scanning a product to verify its origin instantly. Let's explore how blockchain can revolutionize healthcare. Blockchain can secure patient data, streamline clinical trials, and ensure drug traceability. Imagine a world where your medical records are securely accessible anywhere. Blockchain ensures patients get genuine medications. It can also make clinical trials more efficient and transparent. All right, let's talk about real estate. Now, buying or selling property is a notoriously complicated and time-consuming process. There's a ton of paperwork, multiple intermediaries, and a whole lot of room for error, or, let's be honest, fraud. But what if there was a way to simplify the entire process and make it more secure? Enter, you guessed it, blockchain. Remember those smart contracts we talked about earlier? Well, they have the potential to completely transform real estate transactions. Imagine a world where you can buy or sell a property with just a few clicks on your computer, without the need for lawyers, real estate agents, or banks. Blockchain can also enable new and innovative forms of property ownership, like fractional ownership, where multiple people can own a share of a property through blockchain-based tokens. Let's face it, our current energy system is, well, a bit of a mess. We rely heavily on fossil fuels, which contribute to climate change, and our centralized energy grids are vulnerable to blackouts and cyber attacks. But what if there was a way to create a cleaner, more resilient, and more democratic energy system? You know where I'm going with this. Blockchain technology has the potential to revolutionize the way we produce, distribute, and consume energy. Imagine a world where you can buy and sell renewable energy directly from your neighbors, using a blockchain-based peer-to-peer trading platform. With blockchain, we can create microgrids, where individuals and communities can generate their own renewable energy using solar panels or wind turbines, and then sell any excess energy back to the grid or directly to their neighbors. Blockchain can also be used to improve the management of our existing energy grids. Let's talk about food. The journey from farm to fork is complex and lacks transparency. This leads to safety concerns and unfair pricing. Blockchain can save the day. It ensures a transparent, traceable, and ethical food supply chain. Okay, let's talk about something that affects all of us. Government. Now, governments play a crucial role in our lives, but they're often seen as bureaucratic, inefficient, and let's be honest, sometimes even untrustworthy. But what if there was a way to make governments more transparent, accountable, and efficient? You guessed it, blockchain to the rescue. By leveraging blockchain's inherent transparency and security, we can create a more trustworthy and efficient system of governance. Blockchain-based voting systems have the potential to address these challenges by creating a secure, transparent, and tamper-proof record of every vote cast. Imagine a world where you can vote from your phone or computer, knowing that your vote is both anonymous and secure. Blockchain can also be used to create tamper-proof public records, making it much harder for governments to hide corruption or manipulate data. This level of transparency could help reduce corruption, increase accountability, and restore trust in our public institutions. All right, let's talk about something that's become an essential part of our daily lives: telecommunications. We rely on our phones and computers to connect with each other, access information, and conduct business. But our reliance on these technologies also makes us vulnerable to data breaches, identity theft, and other forms of cybercrime. By leveraging blockchain security and transparency, we can create a more secure and trustworthy telecommunications infrastructure. Blockchain can help address these challenges by providing a secure and tamper-proof way to verify identities and authenticate transactions. Imagine a world where your phone number is linked to a unique blockchain-based identity, making it much harder for fraudsters to impersonate you or steal your information. Blockchain can also enhance data security by providing a decentralized and encrypted platform for storing and sharing sensitive information. So, there you have it, folks. A whirlwind tour of blockchain's potential to transform traditional industries. We've covered a lot of ground, from finance and healthcare to supply chains and energy, and I hope you're as excited about the possibilities as I am. Because here's the thing, this is just the beginning. Blockchain technology is still in its early stages of development, and we're only just scratching the surface of its potential. As more and more industries embrace this transformative technology, we can expect to see even more innovative and impactful applications emerge in the years to come. It's an exciting time to be alive, folks. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the latest technological advancements. See you next time.